Hey, good evening. My name is Oris Jones to be exact, but I do go by OJ. I'm a film student here at Full Sail University, and today I'll be touching a little bit on staying ahead of the competition with you. Now, to stay ahead of the competition in the film industry, you basically have to have a watchful eye. You have to keep an eye open for the newest and the latest technology, art, the newest and latest techniques being applied to movies as far as how they're being filmed, the lighting that's being used, colors, fashion, music, everything. Um, and the ways you do that, pretty much by just watching movies, watching a lot of TV, reading, doing a lot of researching. You got to be a person of substance who thinks. You can't just go in and create a script or film a movie or do anything without thinking. Um, and the main thing is just living, getting out there and living and interacting with different people from different settings, different backgrounds, and getting a little bit of different insight on the way things work in the film industry. Uh, Got to stay ahead of the competition as far as technology. A lot of things are technology driven nowadays. We use a lot of social media websites for promoting our work and getting ourselves some exposure. So that's pretty much it. So again, my name is Oris Jones. Uh, this is my milestone 2 for CSI, and thank you.